My brothers, you find that when we do jawla and we mix with the boys and we go around and we talk, and even amongst us, yani if we were to be honest, you find that a lot of the times we tend to say that, things get a bit boring, eh? But yeah, every now and then you think, brother, can't you spice it up a bit, man? Here in this particular masjid, we tend to have a saying. We say aflam. Brother, rip a film, rip a movie, make it fun, make it entertaining. And even now you find that it's reached such a level that even when we listen to a reminder or we put a CD on, if it doesn't have that in the background, right? You can't listen to it anymore. It just doesn't have the same kick, right? So you find that we're becoming this, entertain me, brother, wow me, rip a movie, put, dramatic background noise and try to captivate me as much as you can. But you find, my brothers, that the reality is that the deen of Allah Azza wa Jal, it's complete, it's finished. The book, the Quran, there's no new verses coming. There's not going to be a new edition. There's no Old Testament and New Testament. It's the Quran. It's perfect. Allah Azza wa Jal, He says today, we have completed your religion. That every single situation, whatever problem you have, whatever difficulty that will come into your life, anything you need, you look to the deen of Allah and you will find your answers there. So the book of Allah Azza wa Jal, it's complete. Not a letter more and not a letter less. Everything that we need for salvation, everything that we need to pull up, everything that we need for change, my brothers, it's there, it's in the book of Allah. And the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam are also true. There's no new hadith coming. There's not going to be a new shooter in the area and Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam is going to give a hadith based on what happened. That hadith are known. So my brothers, what I'm trying to get at is that this deen, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he would repeat himself again and again. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, when he spoke, he didn't rip these epic movies. His words were short, his message was clear, and he was firm. And he would drill this into the believers day after day, day after day, week after week. Until the reality of those words, they entered the heart of the believers.